Let's see the recent maritime accidents. The chemical tanker New Global collided with the local cargo ship KM Maju 9, leaving 4 people missing in Indonesia. On October 29, the chemical tanker New Global collided with the timber cargo ship KM Maju 9 south of Aru Islands, Dobo, Indonesia. Both ships were attempting to avoid colliding with numerous nearby fishing boats. New Global rescued 28 of the 32 individuals on board, while 4 went missing. Thunder, a bulk carrier, was damaged in the South China Sea and towed to safety. On October 19, the bulk ship Thunder had an engine failure south of Hong Kong and became adrift. China's MRCC in the South China Sea dispatched a SAR tug to pull a crippled bulk freighter to safety. Towage began on October 25 in difficult conditions. The ship was anchored in Shanwei Anchorage on the afternoon of October 30. She was still in the same posture on November 2 morning. In Bangkok, the feeder cargo ships OPK-3 and NP Patum Thani collided, with one sinking. 2 feeder container ships collided in Bangkok's Chao Phraya River. The NP Patum Thani received minor damage, but the portside hull of the OPK-3 was ruptured, allowing enormous water entry. The ship sank to the bottom in shallow water, with only the superstructure and a portion of the cargo deck visible above the waterline. A fishing boat crashed with the cement carrier Hakinan Maru, killing 1 fisherman. Off the shore of Kochi Prefecture on Honshu's Pacific coast, the cement transport Hakinan Maru collided with a 5-ton fishing boat. 2 fishermen on board were saved when their fishing boat capsized, but one of them was already dead when they were found. The ship halted her journey and appeared to be sailing to Kochi for examination as of 11 o'clock Tokyo time.
MSC Olga F, a container ship, has been disabled and is stuck off the coast of Bosphorus.
At roughly 4 o'clock UTC on November 1, the MSC Olga F had an engine breakdown short of the southern entry to the Bosphorus, in the Marmara Sea. The ship was towed to Istanbul's Ahir Cape port and moored there with the help of a tug. The ship was still in the same location at 13:30 UTC. Hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or comments, drop it in comments section. Subscribe to MarinAura for more updates.